Okay, so here's how to create your own ringtone. First, I use this app called LumaFusion, and I'm using this basically to extract the audio. So you can probably find a free one. LumaFusion I think is like 20 or 25 bucks, but it's the best video editor for iOS. It's way better than iMovie, but anyway, I create a new movie, and then I go in to videos, find a little clip, drag that in, and then I'm just going to go and cut out the part that I want. So I just cut it. And just cut that, and then you tap on it and you can just drag away the other one, get rid of it. So that's all I want. And then there's that audio only, and then I'm going to go to Files, the second to last, and then just export just the default. Save it as Ruby uh-oh. And I've got a folder that I called audio in my iCloud drive. So that just extracted the audio. That was the whole purpose of that. If you can find a free app to do that. But then you go over to GarageBand and create a new song, and then go to More Sounds, and I just do Fun Clean. So there's no effects to it. Otherwise it puts like reverb and stuff. And then you click this little loop in the upper right hand, and then click on or tap on Files. And then browse, go to your audio or whatever folder you exported it to. You could probably send it straight to it, but I like to use Files. And then gotta go drop down here, and there's my Ruby uh-oh. So I just drag it. Now it's got 8 bars. I'm gonna tap on the plus sign in the upper right and make it to 1 bar, just because it's so short. I've got the metronome on. Turn the metronome off. And then you go back to the main screen and then tap and hold on, well, I'm going to rename it first. But then when you tap and hold on it, you get the menu, and the last one is to share. And then the middle option here is ringtone. And it's going to save it to your ringtones. And then you click Use Sound As, and then I can pick Standard Text Tone. Now, of course, we can go into Settings, and then go down to Sounds and Haptics, and then go find our text tone. And there you go. That's how you can make your own text tone.